Abusuafo, my mama kwa baba Meratech Academy. And I know first time I make sure say subscribe to channel no. So I subscribe ya. First time I subscribe, share na like na afoforo nso nya akwanya no musua anyoma awusua. Eno na ehya yen so yen kwan ma ye more videos. Okay, nti me power chop. Yes, ama me. Yeah, to also from the previous lesson no. Aha ye bon modern ase ebetumi editwi acheche programming mu kakra. Na wetumi anya foundation no. So the be ya ukwohwe videos bi advanced lessons for YouTube a obetumi ate de wo ya ase. Alright, eno no me botaya nti ama me yesade. Me pese video be tintin say de bia me ka no. Ti yenko the problem for the day. Or say write a program that displays the product of two numbers. Inti intro programmer ebe multiply number menu abom na amaye e display results na chere. Inti quickly no yenhwe ekwan a ebe solve sa problem we. Enti no first of all to say the make no de bia no say won say algorithm no ewo unim algorithm, that is steps na obey no. And unim data type a be use and number of variables a be here. Nti question we wo sha e be here variables miensa. E be here the edebege first number, the edebege second number, na the ebe display the product, the multiplication of sad numbers ni mu no. Nti ya hwe data type ni nyina ye integer because ni nyina ye numbers, okay? Nti enko straight ebe declare a data type, that is int. Na ya name your first variable, which is number 1, second variable ye number 2, na third variable ye my friend end product. Ubetimi afre no multiply ana bibi. Variable name de the wo hwa obeti ase bi edin a obeti ase bi ana wo de ama no. Okay, so say you declare variables no, every you declare data type. Nti maminja space. Yemma nipa ne hu say also enter user no prompt bi ebe no hu say also enter number. Say mobile money how I earn na. Nti no first one be COUT. Pacho so be kaya me say who je information free. Who display information at share user na see out and who je input free no see in. Nti see out less than, okay? Now abo information crap pese obo. Nti enter first number, okay? Na afi ya terminate no. On say she quote she double quote na make an any double quote back ni na back because a string whole string bi also they share double quote. Say one fan share double quote ni mo C++ be hunu say ade na ye variable. To say they declare her variable names. Nti wo de share double quote mo na double quote mo C++ be hunu say a string but any variable. What I say? Say the be to me display information amount. Nti say near say username born the first number there. You receive here until then C in here CI no abo greater than. Nti you receive the first number which is the variable number 1. No what terminate. One say me born number 1 no man fan share double quote because a variable. Okay. Nti no you copy way. Say I get first number, you copy we ni second number. Enter second number. Yes, copy way. Number 2. Okay. Pacho algorithm never tell say accept first number, accept second number. Multiply first number by second number. You see, I accept first number. I accept second number. And then I accept. You see, no algorithm. And I make an step by step. Into multiply. Into a end product is equal to. Into a num 1 times which is star. Num 1 star num 2. Just say, yeah, just say you multiply. nti a multiply we are any den and display information on my user nti C out double quote nti your sorry the product is okay. The product is column the product is nti a concatenation nti the product is n product because n product no bomb the product is n product not terminate because n product when you hold the multiplication of number 1 and number 2. What I say nti the product is n product so be kaya me see if be concatenation add can enuma mienu abom nti o say den the plus ba nti the product is plus n product but obekaya we because of say a double quote mu nti no say a string but eno so a enye variable ana say no string we no ye beka bom variable we mu variable we nso data type den integer ni data type integer say ye beka integer abo string nti omo data type nye the same to ka bom a obenya problem nti ye frɛ bibi to string nche say ye be convert n product we na ye integer no akọ string say the be string we a string the be string plus string enye string plus integer biom what I say nti ye convert n product to string dia ye nya problem nti be plus to string to underscore string near the bar open and closing brackets. Okay, here running a program no yenya error no saying error 17 was expected column before string constant. Okay, manfa less than no but all right, and here running biom so I say enter first number 3, enter second number 5, or say in 15. The product is 15. Okay. Juma. Mami just space wa hana enter first number. Okay. So mami some build it. Enter first number 12. Second number no 10. Say 120. Okay, the product is 120. Okay. Program no ebo ejuma kama enya last one ebia na magic bi na perform nti first number 6, second number so 6 I'll see 36. The product is 36. Okay, congratulations say what me follow aye ama wanya BBC here why there nti yenko second problem of the day na solve here so to me paper ebia na me hia nneoma or say write a program to accept the name and age of a person and display the name and age nti no algorithm ne beka cho say enter the name enter the name, enter the age, display name and age, and I said display name, display age. Sa na algorithm nti sa algorithm ne wo trim dada nti no ube hu se unyoma a obehia variables a obehia mienu pe ba ko beji age. Okay, because of say second variable no which is name no name we no on say string because name e be bonipa ni the letters string ana age number nti me emfa name we embeto aso ha esa ebe error because age integer ana name string nti me be ba second line na ma declare ono so ni data type amano what I say the data type ni string nti obi enya ne de we age number nti ni data type integer we name age letters nti ni data type string anka integers na megye anka ehu hia sɛ mede bɛba second line metim di ni nyinaa ba line so. Okay, and revision kakra bia na me enti minim sɛ ma kyerɛ we nyinaa dada, but said the be mesi so biom no. Enti also a program to accept the name. Enti instead of enter first name, yembo enter your name. Enti ebe receive name because name here variable I declare. Now I can say enter your age. Okay, near receive age. Alright. Here any calculation bia nti betimi apepa. Nti finally and display name and age nti instead of the product is no any no your name is nti your name is plus we here to string because variable name we no munhwe ne ye variable name we no a string in data type is string data nti no to string we here biom because end product we didn't here use to string is a non variable non data type here integer. Okay, you see here to string into a plus name because name is a string and these characters they are all strings nti enya de unya ne say de enya de nti your name is plus name. Okay, nti also and display age nti you betimi aye no second line but me here no one line nti your name is plus name and you are maybe are this years old nti plus na say because they say na you be declare you ba betro say NU are nti o say eno so your string and eno no and you are this years old no enye variable name nti o say me de ba we name you can say double quote name. Okay, nti your name is to say them the way your name is never double quote name plus name plus nti we no so enye because say enye variable wa me declare wa enye variable name ma me declare wa nti or say me dey to double quotes your name is plus name plus and you are okay you are how many years old nti you are and also plus you are nti you are plus age plus and masa de aba double quote years old. You gidi say what you say nti your name is name now abebo wa na display no nti edin bia abebo bia be gi say din wa and you are plus age now abebo wa plus years old. We nyina ye strings we a string nti na nyina o double quotes mo no double quotes or quotation marks double quotes ana we variable name the any kind of the double quotes bi aba what I say we say variable name ana age no o sha we a string and I add string to integer because age we age we wa hana ni data type ye integer ana and you are we no so a string even though enye ye declare data variable bia say and you are bia but display information am user and a string characters nti you are plus and you to can integer abo mu a string mu a Python anka my problem but C++ say me can share no kakra to say you convert age we na integer no ma ne be string say da be obetimi age atum so onye and you are na be far down for it is say the first thing and to string near the aba bracket age number bracket Okay, see, say your name is name. We no variable we no string dada ana the ordinary be bomu no person omo fa dan for your name is no so a string nti ne yan fa to string amba but you are we na ye dey bo age we mu no you are na a string ana age ni data type integer nti o say you convert age we na integer no to string nti ne use it to string there's a convert integer to string and say na dey abo we ni string we years old ni okay. So you run if you say your program ni ejuma. Enter your name, Akuya. Your age, 33. Your name is Akuya and you are 33 years old, okay? I mean to think Akuya and you okay. And your name is Akuya T space. Okay. Me run him beauty. Me fa edin for T Ajua. Age Ajua the 20 years. T your name is Ajua and you are 20 years old. On the program no dynamic. Edin bi a mebo ni age bi a mebo bi na etimi accept na de ama me. What you say? Because of say name we variable. And age we say variable. Nti variable no the user ne bebo wa ha bia e betimi accept it. Na display amount. And try last one. A man din na do so nti en fa be ma. Yaw. Ti within the yaw. Yaw Eddie 22. Your name is Yao and you are 22 years old. Okay, congratulations. What me a follow aya bedru ha no ma. Why are they me ma mo? Me da senso say onzo ma ho kwan say obesua de. Ye de ene lesson ni besi ha na ya to aso some other time. Bye bye.